We're going to run through a quick overview of this SmartClient multi-site management software, which allows you to manage multiple facilities from one office location. As you can see over here on the left hand side, you do have a complete list of all your facilities connected to the SmartClient server. Up here on the top you have a couple icons listed. You can go ahead and pull up the site information for the facility with a click of a button. If you need to change it, you certainly can. You have a global settings icon which allow you to make changes to multiple facilities at once, your logout which will take you out of the program, and of course your connect button to connect physically to the database. We'll go ahead and double click on one of our sites here to connect us to that database. As you can see, in addition to pulling up a complete list of the tenants at that site, we do see a number of icons that have appeared up at the top, as well as some icons over here on the right hand side. You'll also notice that the tenants are still in the color-coded fashion that they are in QuikStor Express, so that is a familiar feature there. You do have access to a number of activities just by right-clicking on each of the tenants, so you can take a new payment, you can move someone out, adjust their key codes, all from right-clicking on them. You can search and filter people just in the same way you can in Express, which is a nice feature, so you can pull up all your vacant units, pull up all your delinquent units just with a click of a button. You do have access to all the same reports in Express with a click of a button here, so you no longer have to coordinate with a manager to get these or log into the site to get them. You can simply use SmartClient and have access to them instantly. You do have an instant collection button which will tell you the up-to-minute collections at the site, and of course all of this taking place without anything being interrupted at the site whatsoever. Let's go ahead and disconnect from this facility and connect to another one so you can see how fast that takes place. So we've now disconnected. I'm going to go ahead and double click and reconnect to this site. We've now connected to a different location and looking at a completely different database. Again, same icons up on top, different reports of course that would be generated here because it is a different database, but the point is that you can jump between sites as often and as quickly as you'd like, and we will go ahead and be releasing some videos here shortly to show you more about how powerful this can be. We'll go ahead and disconnect, and this has been SmartClient Multi-Site Management.